So previously, we saw how to set permissions based on where code was loaded from. Now we'll see how to set permissions based on who created the code, that is, who signed the code. So in Java, we can create what are known as signed jars. When we do this, we store the signature in the jar file, and then we store the public key in the key store. Now, in this module, we are not going to go into details about public key cryptography or any other sort of cryptography. This is a tricky area, and before you deal with any of these issues, you need to check with an expert. So how do we go about this? So there are two sides to the story. There's the signer, i.e. the person that's signing the jar file, and there's the person that's going to use the jar file. So for the signer, we create a jar file, obviously. We then generate keys. So we generate a public key, private key pair. We sign the jar with these keys, and then we export the public key in a certificate. The person that's going to use this jar file, the receiver if you like, imports the certificate that we send them as a trusted certificate into the key store. They then edit the policy file to grant permission to the person that signed this jar file, and then they run the code. So let's take a look at how that works in practice.